Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I have another super easy and quick recipe to share with you. I'm going to be making a blackened salmon with a honey lemon butter. Now that may sound fancy, but believe me, it's not. You will really impress your friends and family with this one. And it only uses just a few ingredients. So of course you will need your salmon, and I have here some fresh salmon. This came in 2 large fillets that I cut in smaller portions. And then you will need your Cajun seasoning, and this is just a Cajun seasoning blend that I had in my cupboard, but if you were going to make your own, all you need to do is use equal parts of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper, a little bit of cayenne for heat, and then a little bit of oregano. And to make that delicious honey lemon butter, you've guessed it, all you need is a little bit of honey, butter, and lemon. So I'm just going to take some of this Cajun seasoning and I'm just going to sprinkle over each piece of this salmon very generously. So I am using my cast iron griddle grill pan, and I actually like to use the smooth side, which is the griddle side, versus the grill, just simply because I like to get a nice sear on that salmon. You could use the grill side, or you could even use this on an outdoor grill, and it's delicious either way. But I'm going to just take a little bit of olive oil and just pour onto my griddle. So I'm making sure that the cast iron is nice and hot because, like I said, I want a good sear. And I'm going to place it flesh side down. And I'm going to let these cook for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'm going to flip them and let them cook on the skin side. All right, time to turn these over. All right, so while my salmon is finished cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make this lemon honey butter. I have 2 tablespoons of butter that I have melted, and then I'm just going to cut my lemon in half, and I'm going to juice this lemon into the butter. And then I'm going to add some honey, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. And then I'm just going to stir it until it's all combined. Oh yeah, this is looking fantastic. This salmon is absolutely delicious. It has that perfect combination of spice with sweet and tangy from the lemon honey butter. It will knock your socks off, I'm just saying. And I'm serving it alongside some wild rice. Delicious. Such a good light meal. perfect for summer. Well, I hope that you guys give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have a splendid day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.